Hey everybody, this is Brett with Brett's Auto Reviews, and today I'm going to be reviewing these brand new YITAMOTOR all-weather floor mats. They're laser measured and designed specifically for this truck and any 2015 to 2024 F150. Really nice product here. I'm going to take it out of the box, show you how nice it is when it's brand new. I've never personally installed these myself. I've seen a ton of trucks though, probably over 20,000 trucks in my lifetime that I've been in, sat in, seen different sets of floor mats, and these are YITAMOTOR floor mats. You can get them in the description below. There's a link to Amazon with our affiliate number. Get a little bit of a cut on that, so definitely check those out. And the crew cab, I've got a 2019 SuperCrew Raptor here today, so going to be putting them in this and see how nice they fit and unboxing and everything. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's open these up. Be very careful with any razor blades, of course. Looks like they had a rough trip here, but they should be in pretty nice condition. Oh yeah, look at these, they look really good. So you get the front two. This is gonna be for a crew cab with a center console. So you can see they're all weather. You can see the Y for Yita. And they come with the plastics on there to protect the emblem. And then it does come with the full floor mat in back. So they got that like so. That looks pretty good. Really nice floor mats here. You can see they're not very stiff, which I like. I know other laser measured floor mats out there can be very stiff and hard to work with. These are actually pretty chilly. They were in my truck in the box, so even with being cold, they're really flexible. So let's get to putting them right into the vehicle. All right, going to be putting in the driver's side first. Whenever you're putting in all-weather floor mats in any vehicle, especially on the driver's side, you want to make sure that the floor mat is under the pedals so that it's not overlapping any of the pedals. Because these are laser measured, they're going to fit perfectly. They're really nice and snug, and they snap right into the factory clips. And you're all set to go right up to the kick plate and to the edge of the door plate here. So it's really nice and looks good, and we'll go put the other ones in, see if they fit just as nicely. If you thought the driver's side was easy, wait till you see the passenger side. This goes right in and just sits in there perfectly because it's all laser measured, and they're all made with TPE material, which is thermoplastic elastomers, and it's really malleable, so it's easy to get in there and it slides in nicely and looks really good, and it's going to last you a really long time, and for probably about half the price of those other laser measured floor liners. And now for the big boy. You're going to want to put these back seats up when you install this one, but just kind of get it all the way over, flip it down like that, and look at how nicely that fits right up to the center console, right up to the door edges, and right to the back of this. It actually folds right underneath everything, so it kind of locks it into place and looks really good too. And now we're going to go check out the skid resistance of these babies. I think they look really good, and they're definitely low slip. They're really sticky. I like that in a floor mat. Don't like your feet sliding all around, especially when you're driving, making sure that your heel isn't slipping off. They feel really good. They fit really nicely too. When you close the door, they don't fold up on them or anything like that. Yeah, I think there's some really nice floor liners, and you know, for half the price of the competitors out there for the fronts and the backs, I think it's a really good value. So the main purpose of having any floor mats in a vehicle is to protect your investment, your nice F-150, 2015 to 24. But what happens when you get them dirty? Well, these all-weather floor mats have TPE material. They just beat up the water. It just doesn't go anywhere because of the grooves and everything that's in it. And then they can come out really easy because they're nice and pliable. Just take them out, shake them off, and you can wipe them down and you're ready to go. Now if you do get a little bit of mud or anything on there, you can grab your spray away glass cleaner, world's best, and just spray them off and then wipe them off with your towel as well. You want to get some of that glass cleaner, there's a link in the description below to Amazon to buy some of those. So looks really good. When you're all done, it's like the floor mat's brand new. They fit nice and snugly back in there, and you're all set to go. Really a nice product. All right, everybody, that's the review for the 2015 to 2024 YITAMOTOR all-weather floor mats. I think for the price point on these floor mats, you really can't go wrong. They're about half the price of the other laser measured floor liners out there. They're a really nice material, and they fit very nicely inside the vehicle. They clean up really easy. They're gonna protect your F-150 from sand, snow, mud, dirt, ice, you name it, whatever you can put on here. It's gonna keep your floor looking clean and your vehicle looking good. Really a nice floor mat. And if you want to buy your own set of 2015 to 2024 F-150 floor mats, in the description below is a link to our Amazon affiliate page. Buy it through us. We get a little bit of a kickback on that, so really appreciate that. Also, if you want some spray away glass cleaner, I got a link for that on Amazon in the description as well. And for Brett's Auto Reviews, thank you so much for checking out the video, and get yourself a set of YITAMOTOR floor mats, and gotta get a Yita. So the part number on these floor mats are 20251. R means right, L would mean left, and I'm sure B is for the back, but that's the part number right there. And yeah, gotta get a Yita.